Hi, I'm MANIC JACKSON, and I wrote this beat called Equations. My creation process for this song evolved solely from the very unique sample I found on a horror compilation from like the 60s. That's usually where I start if I'm doing a sample-based beat or song. I'll usually try and build some kind of melodic percussion or fit some other instruments in there to make it more original, and then do a bunch of different tricks with effects. Making this song took a couple different pieces of gear, one being this Roland SP606, which is one of the most frustrating pieces of gear to use, but the texture you can get on an old sample with this is incredible. The main parts of the song with like the drums and the rhythmic Foley percussion was all done on the high MPC-1, which is pretty cool because it fits in a backpack and it's not as heavy as a 2000 XL. To put everything together, my whole process always ends up with Ableton, and I always use a push to do the rest of my sequencing and instruments and all that kind of stuff. My creative choices at the time of making this were very much old samples and different types of both melodic and percussive, like strange sounds that you can put in the background. Weird time signatures, think stretched out J Dilla. But the biggest influence on any of my creative choices are the collective I have with my friends, which is called Resampled. We're constantly finding samples and learning different stuff and pushing each other to just bump our production game up.